Hi there, I'm Brian from the Lincolnwood Library with another technology lesson for you today, this time on the app Houseparty. Video applications like Houseparty are taking off. Houseparty is a face-to-face social network with live video rooms your friends and family can jump into. So we want to show you how to download and install it, create an account, find your friends, and use this app to have fun video chats. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to show you how to download Houseparty from the App Store. So I'm on my home screen here and I press App Store. It will load and it may load to a different tab for you at the bottom depending on what you did last. Go to the search tab and type in Houseparty. Now I'm on iOS here, but it works very similarly in Android. You go to the Google Play Store there instead of the Apple iOS store. Now there are advertisements in the store, so you have to be careful. Houseparty is this second one here with the waving yellow hand. I'm going to press Get, and it's going to think, and then you may have to do a fingerprint or a passcode or password, but I just have to press Install, and it is starting to install. Now, in Android and iOS, you see a progress bar. It's spinning around there. On my home screen, here it is also downloading, and I'm going to move it to the main screen where I want it. It's almost done installing. And there we go. Now I'm also going to show you how to make an account. So I open the app, and I need to sign up. So it's going to ask you for information. Type in your email address and a full name. Then start typing a username and try some different variations until you find one you like that's unique. A check mark will appear when you've typed something acceptable. They ask for your birthday for legal reasons. Anyone who creates an account that has data recorded about it has to be over the age of 13 by law in the United States. So as long as you are over the age of 13, you can put any birth date over 13 years old. So I'm going to pretend I was born in 97 on May 20th. Next. They require your phone number to know that you are a real person. They're going to send you an SMS verification code. So then they're going to try to import your contacts. Now if you don't want them to access your contacts, hit Don't Allow. You can go to settings or skip if you do not want to connect to Facebook as well. I'm going to skip that. And then they have this little intro screen. I'm going to skip that as well. Now this is an important screen. They require access to your camera and microphone so that the service will actually work. So I'm going to press OK on that. And OK there as well. Now, they do not really need to send you notifications, but you do still have to press that circle and then hit Don't Allow before you can press Next. And you're into the app. Okay, now I didn't want to connect Houseparty to Facebook or anywhere else, but to use it, you need to have other people on it to do the video sessions with. So you can add friends, but I want to show another way of adding friends. You press the smiley face button and you can go to add friends and you can copy your profile link. So if you want to email to someone or text message someone, that allows them to get it really easily. You can authorize using your contacts, add from Facebook, or if you know someone's username as well. You can press the circle at the top of the screen to pull up the ability to just manually search for someone if you know a name or a username. For example, I can search for my wife, but I know she's not actually on here yet, so I'm not going to add her. Press the plus button in the corner to find more people to bring into your house party. You can search to add friends or invite new friends, which pulls up sharing. All right, I'm ready to add a friend and show a little more about using Houseparty. So this loads my friends by default. I can add friends and I'm going to add by name. And here is my wife. And I'm not going to enable notifications. And she's going to have to add me. All right, I'm ready to see if my wife accepted my invitation on Houseparty. So I'll open Houseparty up. And there we go. She accepted me. So when you open the Houseparty app, you can press the circle to find your contacts. It lists you as being in your room here, and it shows your friends that are online. And my wife there in my contacts, I can press join. Hey there.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Thanks for helping me out here. So, again, you can have up to 8 people, but it's just us 2 right now. You got lots of controls around the edge. You can mute yourself or unmute. Can prevent other people from joining the room with that lock. Both of us have the ability to flip the camera. Here's my work from home setup. And you can record a face mail, kind of a visual voicemail if somebody's not there. You can play games. Do you want to play a game?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Okay, so the dice at the top shows different games that are available. Some of these games have free options and paid options, so you have to look out for that. I'll just go to trivia. And maybe you want to do pop culture?
Sure.
Okay, so pop culture. And you can invite friends or just kind of ask to play now with Let's Play. Captain America. Okay, I think we both know this. There we go. So the games are fun. It lists who is scoring what points. I know that one. That was lucky.
Oh.
So they keep score for you, which is really nice. So it's really fun. You're together playing games, even if you're not physically.
Oh, it's really tough.
Boarding school? I have no idea. How about Hogwarts?
I know this one. I know this one. Well, that makes sense.
Oh boy. So you can play again, see other decks, and to leave a room, you just press the X in the lower right. I want to thank Victoria again for helping me out. And this has just been a little demo of Houseparty. So I just want to show a little more of the integrated games in Houseparty. Again, you press the dice. Then I'm going to look at Heads Up. They have some free decks at the top. Under More Decks, they list decks that you have to pay for. So, for example, Marvel Avengers, if I wanted to access this, I would have to pay $2.99. I don't want to do that, so I press the back arrow to get out. I want to show you one last thing about Houseparty here. Again, to see your friends, you press the circle at the top. And sometimes people might not be available, but you can leave them what's called a face mail. So my wife, I'm pretty sure she isn't available right now, but I'm going to try giving her a call. She's working. I can press this green phone button to try to give her a call, and there it is. And it's going to ring on her phone. And she wasn't able to answer. So I can not now in terms of leaving a facemail or leave a facemail. You can also press on their icon to the left to see options. I can see that I left her a facemail before and play that. I can try to call her again, send her a quick note. Or leave her a facemail. So I'll press facemail. Hi there, miss you, talk to you later. Hi there, miss you, talk to you later. You press send to send it, and there it's sent. So that's a quick introduction to Houseparty. You can sign up, find your friends, and join them in virtual rooms to see how they're doing or play games. If you don't reach them, you can leave them a facemail and they'll get it and see what you had to say when they can. We hope you're able to use Houseparty after this video to have fun with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.